be understanding yourself. The pain of knowing that your only enemy is you. The pain of knowing that your emotions control you. The pain of knowing that your emotional lack of control is the only thing that is stopping you. The pain of being real with yourself. And if you could sit with this pain for long enough, something magical happens. You unlock a superpower. You gain access to something that the majority of people don't have. Emotional discipline. So close yet so far. 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 Pockets getting tight, it's the end of the month, and you finally see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. I gotta be in. The charge calling out your name, and you see the play you need to make, and you think, man, and I'm be sick if I miss it. The feel missing out, it got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in, and you know it probably gon' end up in a loss, man. It hard to just be patient, but you know you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, 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 wait for confirmation. You gotta wait for confirmation.
Let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this. I can be your number one, we know it's overdone, but I could give you something that could give you hope. No, no, you want a smart girl with her own job. She can talk shop, says he's gonna start a revolution. I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's an illusion. No, he sees life through a different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, cause he's going in. Wants to see the universe, wants to see it first. On a private plane, doesn't wanna ride commercial. He's so unique and he's so right, but he's so not right for me, and I don't wanna be that. Cause he's gonna start a revolution, and I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's an illusion. No, he sees life through a different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, cause he's going in. He said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true.
Yeah. Started with a plan and a blank screen. Turn it to a blueprint for the whole team. Everyday people, big league dream. Log in, light up, data in my face, no love. I can see the story in the lines. Every candle talking about decline. Clarity, cut through the noise to me. Dashboard steady, hard on knees. I ain't guessing I got keys. Rob at the vision like why not them? Why can't I know straight like a top 10? Why can't a kid from a small town win? Give him the tools and watch him begin. Wealth charts, I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the way. Brought you the map, now we chart our own page. Wealth charts, everyday people on their way. Numbers on the screen, but I see time. Minutes in the miles on the same grind. Smart tech turn it into past. Risk in my hand, I can do the math. Split my screen, got my goals in view. Red, green, off, eating what I do. No more fear when the trend pulls back. I got rules, I don't gotta react. He built a lane for the rest of us. Trust in the system built on trust. Teacher and a trader, that's a double edge. Cutting out the doubt, putting hope in the web charts. I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the way. Robbed you the map, now we chart our own page. Well charts, everyday people on their way. Zoom out, I can see the life I pick. Zoom in, every level, every tick. One screen, but it's bigger than a trade. It's a promise to myself I'm gonna stay. Well chart, I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the waves. Brought you the map, now we chart our own page. Well charts, everyday people on their way. Everyday people on their way. Everyday people on their way. Yeah, we call it the quick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Oh, quick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Bank on the move. On the move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
Bank on the
straight the fuck. He can see the future of futures. Charts in his head like rumors. Worldwide map on the MacBook. Whole plan laid out, one load. Straight to fun, that's gospel. Cut the weight when colossal. Prop game flipped in a week. He turned proof in a peak. Yeah, red symbol, future of futures. Yeah, yeah. Turn one trade to a move. Yeah. Straight to fun it, that's the blueprint. Turn one mind to a unit. Worldwide, he see the growth coming. Whole globe on a wrist budget. Red symbol, future of futures. Easy doors where they see shutters. Trade if I tag on the login. Whole squad they locked in. Took a little edge, made options. Took one city, went global, no stopping. He don't chase these positions. Plays the wave, not conditions. When he talk, reach the scripture. Hold the world in a picture. Red symbol, future of futures. Turn one trade to a move. Straight to fund it, that's the blueprint. Turn one mind to a unit. Worldwide, he see the growth coming. Whole globe on a wrist budget. Red symbol, future of futures. Easy doors where they see shutters. From the crib to the skyline. He see growth in a flat line. What's a wall to a timeline? He already passed that sign. Red symbol, future of futures. Turn one trade to a move. Straight to fund it, that's the blueprint. Turn one mind to a unit. Worldwide, easy the growth coming. Whole globe on a wrist budget. Red symbol, future of futures. Easy doors where they see shutters. Jaw set, eyes up, wrist slow. Muscle in the mirror, thunder in my chest. Every scar story, every loss a dead. Short fuse, tall odds, whole room feels small. Still in my veins, I'm built for the fall. Pressure on my neck, still walking tall. Bottom of the mountain, I'm laughing at the drop. Heartbeat hammering, I never ever stop. Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the doubt off. Watch it drop, bank on chop. Yeah, you know I'm all I got. Go long when the red line says to stop. Go long till the last breath, last. Chop, 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 rhythm in my blood, it knocks. Bank on chop, I'm the blade that never drops.
Show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
All right. Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour Special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Javi, the Maestro. It is February 9th, 2:45 p.m. I sound a little banged up right now. I'm a little sick. I had to take some time off to take care of some personal matters, but I'm back, ready to rock and roll. Javi looks like he's loading. Did we lose Javi?
I'm here. I was here.
Okay.
I'm no
can
longer
you guys
here.
hear and see me?
I'm frozen. Okay. Hold on. It's always me in Discord. It's always me in Discord.
Yeah, I just had that issue with the student channel. But you guys can hear and see me, correct?
All right, I'll be right back. Discord.
All right, brother. All right. Let's get back to it. You trading MNQH on Tradeabate? Correct. I'm showing you guys NQ and gold because I can't show you my actual charts because I have sauce on it, which is on MNQ and MGC. But I'm trading
All right, I'm
on
back.
MNQ and MGC. Still not. Oh, there you are. All right, brother. How you doing, man?
Yeah, pretty good, man. Pretty good.
Good.
Got my got one of my brothers here. You want to say hi? He's just chilling. He's the one.
What's up?
He's the one that actually kind of looks like me. He wanted to learn. He brought me some low carb, low calorie Michelob Ultras. So in case
There you go.
anyone's wondering, okay, I'm still
Nice.
being careful. What's up, all sacks?
Yeah, it's funny you're with your brother. I was
Name is your
supposed to
gay.
be I was supposed to be hanging out with my sisters today, but I didn't want to get my little niece and nephew sick. So I was
Oh
like,
yeah, good
sorry,
call.
guys. I was like, sorry, guys. I
Good
haven't.
call.
Yeah, I got to see them before I had to fly out. So I got to see them for a little bit before I had to go. But yeah,
Oh man, the
sorry.
shorts. The shorts starting to look really good. Let me take a look. It's been a strong uptrend all day. There's a few MVGs below. There's a couple above that I thought it was going to try to get to before it closed. Are you? No, I'm not high today. No Benjamin today. Man, how he gets profitable when he just starts going nuts drinking. I drink beer every once in a while, y'all. It's not like I'm not a Neanderthal.
Appreciate it, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. But,
The short's going a little bit already. Breaks 404. Then it'll contest 96. Breaks 96. It's got room down to 86. Whoops. But this is potential to bouncy area. You can't hear me on the Discord? Or is it just you, Jesus? See, it's just you, Jesus. Put up your volume. Yeah, bounced pretty good off that 404 or 405 area that I have.
So I've actually a lot of the props are no longer allowing gold trading. What I've noticed.
They've limited the contract sizes on some
Yeah.
of them, which kind of bummer.
Yeah.
Like Alpha, I tried to catch a gold long yesterday. I caught it for like 100 ticks, but with one micro, it was kind of like, eh.
Yeah. Yeah.
I was like,
Alpha cut it. Lucid is allowing it. Lucid posted a funny video in their Discord saying, basically copying Wolf of Wall Street, saying, I'm not fucking leaving. And they were copying, saying like they can trade it, which is cool. FFF, Tradeify, and TPT do still. Okay. Yeah. I personally, I kind of decided to separate from gold just so I don't get confused and mix and match. And I was going to focus on NQ. I am trading some Lucid accounts right now, so I do have gold up, but I might start to just focus primarily on NQ if props aren't allowing to trade it. I like to try to have some uniformity in all my accounts.
Gold rejected. I have a box up here. It rejected twice off already.
It's, I mean, it's not because it's too risky. It's because it's too volatile, aka too many people are making too much money.
Yeah, that's very true. That's why I was having a field day on gold for a good
Everybody
3
was.
months.
Everybody was. I was having 20K nights. I was making like 20K a night off of it.
Yeah. All right. If this breaks over 426 again, the bullish stampede up could keep going. It bounced right off of that advanced read setup around 405 that I had. But this could also start ranging. Power hour range. We might be back to normal.
How'd trading with Izzy and Coach go on the Power Hour?
It went well.
Nice.
It went well. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, we named the Jizzy show is
Okay.
Izzy and Javi combined is Jizzy, yeah. Yeah, I mean,
Okay. All right.
you know.
Yeah. No, yeah. Wow. And we even added a graphic where it got it.
Yeah.
Cool.
They got
Nice.
it, everything. Like the whole thing.
We had to remove an episode. Yeah, I heard.
Yeah, yeah, we did.
I heard about it. Yep.
It
I was traveling and I had to still get somewhat involved. Well, I was not traveling yet, but I was in the process of it. Yeah, I heard.
Yep. Somebody got me. But
Yep. I step away for just a day or two and things get out of hand, I guess. It's all right.
Logan left. Everyone's like, time to go nuts.
Yeah, no rules,
Everyone
I
went
guess.
nuts. Yeah. We went a little ham.
Nice. Well, it's good that you guys had kept the entertainment side of it going.
Oh man.
Not sure what style Logan trades. I am a breakout momentum trader. So, yeah. Everybody thinks I primarily focus on Pivot Hunter. Pivot Hunter is a fraction of my trading style. It just gives me setups when my other setups are not available. Yeah.
All right, back to that 405. This 5-minute closes underneath 405. Maybe we'll have another push down. But this 5-minute has to close well underneath 405. SPX wants to push. Ooh, SPX setting up for some failed bullies here. We might get a flip. This might start going. It's not looking too shabby. I don't know if entry right now is kind of late.
Logan, what happened to the morning girls? What does that mean?
The morning
What are the
girls.
morning girls?
Oh, I think they're talking about the Euro
The Euro
babes.
babes? I don't know what Jaylee is doing. I know Jamie is wrapping up the event. Yeah, that's all I know. I don't really know. That's not my expertise. The repression is a bit much, to be honest. Stick to trading. Tired of having to turn the volume down out of embarrassment.
What?
How do I want to approach
What?
that? How do I
Where's
want to
that on
approach
YouTube? Is that on the
Hobby.
YouTube?
Yep, Hobby.
Ah!
There you go.
What?
Yep. Yeah, no, keep going.
Ah! Oh
Yep.
yeah, baby!
There you go.
Oh yeah! Oh, you do so good! Oh god! Where did that accent come from?
Chicken
I
Nugget,
don't
how
know
do you
where I
feel?
got that accent from.
Hey, Chicken Nugget, how does that make you feel?
Ay, papi! Oh no, I'm gonna make it even better. Ay, papi, qué rico, papi. Oh, sí. Qué delicioso, papi. That's gonna make it even worse. Oh man.
What did you
Look,
like?
this guy wants me to be
Comment.
more lame. All right.
Yeah, I just don't like. You've probably been watching long enough to know the type of people that we are, and then you're going to type out for us to stick to trading and not do anything that's going to have some type of embarrassment based off of volume.
Our
What
field
did
is
you think the
Peter.
results were going to be? What did you think was going to happen? We were just going to be like, "You're right, dude. Totally agree. Let's just keep it into trading." No, my man. And if I wasn't sick as fuck, I would be making it much worse. Whatever you say,
Yeah.
dude. Can you use orb strategy on crypto, specifically Bitcoin? If so, what time zone? You can use, actually, from what I understand, you could use any of our strategies for anything. Because it's all just based off of, market structure and things that are set up. Orb you want to use on the market New York Open. Orb that's not true. I have multiple different orbs. There's not a set orb. Javi has some orb time frames. We have the Power Hour orb, which is 3:30 to 3:45.
Oh yeah.
But yeah.
This can't break this 405. I mean, this bounce right now was kind of weak.
What time zone should I use for Bitcoin? None of us trade Bitcoin, my man. None of us trade Bitcoin. We like to make money, not lose it. I think if you're trying to trade Bitcoin, just short it because it's going to keep dumping because it's a waste of money. That's my opinion. Just
Yeah.
focus on the Nasdaq and the metals. At least
It's
that's what we
lost like
focus on.
it's lost like 50% in like
Yeah.
a month, right? That's
Yeah.
ridiculous, dude. That's like rug pull fun right there. Dang, that 404.25 levels held like a beauty so far. It filled that one gap, bounced right off of that gap.
It was a liquidity grab.
Liquidity.
Sure.
Yeah, Izzy loves to say that liquidity word a lot. Like she really likes the liquidity, if you know what I'm saying.
Liquidity grab is an excuse that traders use to justify any movement that the market ever makes. It went up. Why? It was a liquidity grab. It went short. Why? It was a liquidity grab. It's ranging. Why? It's liquidity grabbing both sides. Whatever.
Paulin, is that like an ass grab? Paulin likes the ass grabs. Okay, Paulin. Wish I would have bought 10 Bitcoin
I mean,
back
tell me
in
I'm wrong.
2011.
When anybody ever sees the market go in one direction or the other, are they not saying it's a liquidity grab?
Yeah, I think this is
Whatever that means.
coming in. I'm really starting to potentially like a short here. Stop would be
It's
above
basically just filling
14.
orders.
10
Yeah. So
points.
that's like any movement anywhere at any point in time, right?
Get in with 5. Stop type. 15. Put it up here. Let me
Fill
test
my
this out.
orders liquidity.
It's got a minute left.
But higher time frame where hella orders.
Let's see if we can get 95.25
Okay.
first.
That makes sense. That makes sense. Logan, if trading stops working, you can do comedy. That's hysterical. I don't really think I'm that funny. People say I'm funny. I don't think I'm that funny. I think I'm just blatant.
I think I'm awkward.
Yeah.
But I just say what I say.
Yeah.
Let's see if this push can start coming in. If this 5-minute closes down here, I like it. I do not want to see it push back up to 410. If this 5-minute pushes back up to 410 at the last 30 seconds, not gonna look too shabby. Not gonna look too good.
Do
Let's see if
NQ and
this goes
SPX
to
have the same
400.
chart pattern? Kind of.
There's times where they track, there's times where they don't. All right, come on, give me 95.50. She's almost there. Just 3 more points. Come on. Honestly, this is kind of like where it could potentially hold here if it does not break under 96.50. I could take one off here just to play it safe at 5. There goes. Boom. Yeah, baby. There's 10 points in an instant. Boom. Keep going,
Nice.
baby. Keep going. That 5-minute closed in. There you go, guys. That was less than a 10-point risk trade right there. Now let's see if this can just stay below 400.
I'm frozen. Who's frozen? I'm frozen. God damn it.
Ugh, come on, guys. Come on, Discord. All right. Mhm. If it pulls back over 400, it's gonna trail me out on my last little runner. But if it pulls back down under 96 and closes below 96, it's gonna look spicy. It's gonna look spicy, but I need it to close underneath 96. This 5-minute needs to stay well below 410 as well. Needs to stay well below 410. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see if this can keep going or not.
Am I good now? Can you guys see me?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh, she's trying to pull back over 400. She needs to stay underneath 405, ideally 410. Um,
Waiting patiently.
why do you choose to watch SPX instead of ES? Because Big Daddy Max does it too, so you know. It's basically live price movement. It moves much more fluid. It's only open during New York. It's pretty much live cash prices is what I view it as well. So I don't read I don't read ES during Asia session at all. Like I literally stick to SPX during New York and that's it. It's pure price action. Red environment means you're bearish. Does it? I have zero bias. I come in my trades. I have zero bias. This if this pushes back up, retests that 4010 and breaks above 410, I'm going to be eyeballing a continuation. But I need to see this 5-minute break over 410. Ooh, 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 ooh. She's going to give it a shot. She's going to give it a shot, but this is getting a little interesting. She's approaching 410. Dom is kind of reacting up here at 410. Dom is reacting. Speeding up. It's speeding up here. Dom's going a little bit cray-cray. Just a little cray-cray. So we might have a range spot between 410 and 400 for the time being. But if this breaks over 410, potential. But underneath 410, still on the short side. You should have the flux. You might get seizures. I have epilepsy. I might give myself seizures if I keep flipping between green and red. Because I will scalp a long and a short back and forth. It'll be like disco party in here. Oh, here we go. Here's the break over 410.
Millie up 200
Oh,
fucking K. This guy just makes
let's
a
go,
retarded
Millie.
amount of money.
It's testing that 410. Dom is speeding up in this area.
Logan, who's your favorite character in League of Legends? Well, are we talking about the game or the show?
There's a show.
Or you've never seen the League of Legends show? Besides some of the like certain things, it's actually pretty fucking good.
Ooh, that's a nice hard rejection on 410. Is it like a show or like animated?
It's an animated show. It's good.
Okay.
In the game, I prefer ADCs. Um, if we look at my mastery and highest win rate, it's between Jinx and Jin. I do pretty good with Kate also. But yeah. If we look at who I play mid really well with, really good with LeBlanc. Of the jukes, I love juking people out. With LeBlanc mid. Misfortune,
locked in.
I have a decent mastery with, but Misfortune I just don't like as much.
That level locked in. I need to see a push coming in. If this is going to go down, this needs to start going down very soon. If it retests 410, there's a good chance this is going to try to break through it. And there, okay, let's see. This is what the Dom's going crazy up here. The Dom is going crazy up here at 408, 409. It starts speeding up.
What is my rank? My rank is like silver now. I used to be emerald or platinum. I used to be platinum, but I haven't played ranked in so long. I just play like TFT or ARAM most of the time now. Highest I got to was platinum, and then I just don't really play enough. And now I'm like stuck in elo hell, so it's just like unless you hyper carry, you're not getting out of like silver, and so I just don't really care anymore. I rarely play ranked. I usually just do ARAM or TFT or something like that. If friends get on, we play, but yeah, I have to hyper carry or have like some Smurf teammates to be able to get out of where I'm at.
If she can't get back underneath 410, this might start pushing up a little bit here. Dom's starting to act up.
I said jinx. Jinx. I
Jakes.
don't know what you're saying. What are your thoughts on Patrick Wheeland? I don't have any thoughts on Patrick Wheeland. I don't know the man. I've never met him. From what I do know is he likes to instigate with people, but I don't personally know him, so I don't really have any comments. I'm not going to judge a man. Also, it's kind of gay to judge another man unless you personally meet them. If I personally meet Patrick and he's a cool dude, I'll be like, he's a cool dude. If I think that he's a weirdo, I'll say he's a weirdo, but I don't know him personally. I do know that from what I've heard, he likes to call people out. Cool. But he doesn't know me. And I'm sure he's not thinking about his opinions on me either. So I have no comments on him.
Amen.
Logan, how did you enjoy the halftime show? I was flying. I missed the Super Bowl. I was flying back from somewhere else.
I enjoyed it. I thought that the other artists that were just dancing in the casita could have joined in on him. I mean, instead of just dancing, I would have loved to see a little bit more of Carol G shaking that booty.
He always rants against Max. Well, I don't know why he would have such an obsession with Max. Max never talks about him. So why would another man
Yeah.
talk about Max? Unless he has a crush on Max, then that's weird.
Ooh.
Maybe he has a crush on Max, and that's why he talks about him. Because Max never talks about him. I don't know anybody that talks about Patrick, so I don't know why he's talking about other men. But to each their own. Maybe that's his thing.
Right, this 5-minute candle needs to close above 410. Let's see what happens here. It's trying to contest it. It's showing the Dom does go crazy up there, but I need to see some more push. It kind of got stuck. What did it hit? It hit like 413. Got stuck.
We're very choppy right now. No trades for me yet, guys. No trades for me.
Yeah. But this is kind of telling for me that this wants to continue the uptrend a little bit. If this does not continue to push harder below 410, like it
Saving
pulled
your
right back
liquidity
up
all
to
week,
it.
holding for the weekend. I don't really have a comment to that. That just zigs. Just be careful. I don't have a comment on that. Do your courses come with the indicators or it's separate? No, the courses and indicators are separate.
Yeah.
You got to think all of our indicators are not, our strategies and our trading isn't reliant on the indicators. Javi's strategy and trading isn't reliant on quantum. Lama's isn't reliant on P2P. Mine isn't even reliant on PHP. They are not reliant on them. It makes trading in our lives much easier. That's the whole point of the indicators. It makes your lives easier. Like, for so I don't need to go and measure out my levels in ATR. So Llamas doesn't have to measure out his fibs. So Javi doesn't have to do certain calculations and stuff. Also, it makes our lives easier. So we definitely prefer to use it, but it's not a requirement in our trading strategies. All of us basically teach how to do it without it, right?
410 held.
I'm just always going to use it because it makes my life much easier in trading. So I don't have to sit there and find my levels and do everything. Same with the other guys.
Yeah, it's stuck in this 402, 409, 50, 410. NQ showing some strength over SPX, but it's very subtle. I think we're just in a range. Definitely in like
Logan, do you use SPX's Confluence? I do not.
what's this? What's it? Oh my
I
god.
strictly look
ATR
at NQ or gold.
crap right now. ATR is crap on NQ right now. It's only 6.42. Meanwhile, gold looks like it wants to push up. Can you really still trade gold on here? Let me see. Oh shit, you can.
No, you cannot trade gold on Apex, I don't think. Who is this guy?
Yep, there goes gold. I'll
Delegato.
take one up there.
Oh, it's Ramon.
And
He just changed his name.
I'm gonna get out on the other one actually because I'm not a big fan of it. It's underneath it.
I feel like I've never seen gold with this low of ATR in a long time.
Yeah. Well, I got in on gold at 102.3 with a couple micros, nothing fancy.
We got some
We
gaps
got-
down below that we might need to fill on gold, but if it does print above 106, I'm going to look for a scalp.
Sucks
I
that
think
I can't like go more cons though. I
Yeah.
just like 3 kind of feel sad. Used to going like 4 or 5. Like the
Mr.
limit
Pepe,
on it.
I set my drawdown based on my account size, yes. Or I set
Yeah,
my stop loss
I'll
based on my account size, yes.
just grab that one. Yeah, I'll throw that one there and this one here. Just to be safe, because this is looking like it could get stuck here. We just got
Logan,
range. This is crappy range. Tap.
where have you been? I was at a funeral. Logan, course paid for itself. It's just from a psych and patient standpoint, so appreciate you. Mr. What's it? When did you start with me? Because I think you're like a brand new student, but that's awesome, man.
Mr. What's it?
I think you're like a brand new student of mine, and you're saying the course already paid for itself?
Wait, 11, why are you just randomly saying Vecna? Oh, because Mr. What's it? Oh,
Had your
yeah.
PHP back in October. Nice.
Took me a
Awesome, brother.
second.
Congrats, man. That's good stuff.
Vecna.
Good work. Good work. I love hearing that.
I always. Oh god, I'm an idiot sometimes. Like I think of like bad guys, and I always go towards the want to play a game. I just want every bad guy to say, "You want to play a game?"
Thank you, everybody. Logan, appreciate you sharing your story about your friend. Mental health is serious. Yes, absolutely. Appreciate that. Yeah.
Let's go, Mota. I made 500 this morning for my first payout thanks to PHP. Way
Let's
to
go,
go.
Mota. I used to code to unlock PHP, and I used the code to unlock PHP. And had my. What do you mean you used? I used the code to unlock
To unlock?
PHP. I don't even know what
Maybe
that
from
means.
the event. They use the free
Oh,
code.
like you got the free code? Is that what you're saying? I was like, MOT event code. Nice.
Maybe.
And I hit a
There you go.
10K month, and I wanted to hit a 10K month and did a 13K last week. Those levels are no
Ooh,
joke. Wow,
way to
Ramon.
go.
That is awesome.
Oh,
Yeah,
that says
PH
Ramon.
yeah, he changed it. That's yeah, we know him. He just changed his name to like the
I thought
style of it.
that said Nane. That's what I thought it said.
Nice, nice. No, that's awesome, man. Yeah.
Hatasa.
Yeah, our
I don't know
indicators
any
are
words other
are
than
savage.
anime words.
The indicators work very, very well.
Arigato. What else do I know? That's it. That's
You
all
guys
I
ever
know.
trade ES or just NQ? I
Itai.
primarily focus just NQ. How can you use ATM settings when group trading on Trade of 8? I teach a
Oh, looks
class
like
on
it's
it,
gonna
on how I
short.
do it.
Looks like it is gonna short.
Thank you for the event. Marlon says, thank you for the event you guys all put together. It was great and helpful. I had a rough week, really sick, but now back to normal. Thought I'd give you. Somebody was gross at that event and got everybody sick. It's crazy how everybody got sick after that. There's some dirty motherfuckers who just didn't wash their hands or just gross. I mean, I saw some of you guys. Some
We
of you guys
heard.
don't bathe. Some of you
We
don't bathe.
definitely heard some of the people did not wash their hands and they were workers. And it's kind of nasty. And I've been to like here's what's nasty, guys, and this is where people, got to be careful out there. When I worked at the restaurant business, you would go to the places where you would buy the product for the restaurant. You don't understand how many of these fuckers who own businesses would go over there, wipe their nose, do all this, and then touch all the shit everywhere. Like it pissed me off every single time. Every single time. Like you guys own restaurants and you're out here sneezing and coughing in your hands and then touching all the shit. Is anybody else in the show right now?
NQ, I'm about to be.
Yeah, I held 410 beautifully. I'm not even like in heavy or nothing. Like this has just been choppy. I just caught like a tiny bit of that gold long earlier, and then I'm not even up that much. It's kind of been a power hour. Just range and chop. Now we want to see it stay underneath 400 and 396. If this could stay under 396, then break 86, we got some more room down. And freaking SPX left a snail trail though. SPX has room all the way down in 970. So SPX can definitely come down some more. Big ass gap left though between 74.50 and 74.41. Big gap. So I want to just thank you for the event you all put together. It was great and helpful. I had a rough week after, really sick, but now back to normal and thought I'd give you a shout out. Did we read that already?
Do you guys help people pass their evals? What Javi, Max, Lama, and I do is trade for entertaining purposes only. And if somebody happens to follow at the goodwill of their own and their own decision and do whatever they want to do, and they happen to click buttons the same time we click buttons and they happen to pass an eval, then I would guess and say that a lot of people have passed their evals doing so.
Yeah.
Do we also teach people how to trade from an educational entertainment standpoint and have courses and coaching sessions that also help people pass evals on their own? Yes, but everything we do is not financial advice.
Oh man, this thing is still going. Let's
Do we need
see.
Max's course to understand your course? No, they are entirely different.
That was a beautiful
I'm
396
about to get into
pretest
this
break.
short with you, Javi. Yep, print through 84, and I'm in there, Javi.
This I want to be careful down here around 76, 74 if this breaks 86. If SPX and NQ kind of match their levels down here and SPX is hitting 70, 30 and 69, 86, that might be where we might see a little bit of a retracement.
I see that. 70,
Little bit.
76 does have somewhat of a level here,
Yeah.
but I'm not convinced on that. Well, it doesn't matter. I don't have an entry yet. I needed to print through 84.
Yeah. There's definitely some good push, but SPX left 3 really nice gaps up above. That's the only thing I'm also eyeballing. They're like
How's this candle
they're
going to close? Nope. No entry.
gaps.
No entry for me.
Look at that wick. That thing is wicking right now at
No entry
86.
for me, guys. Logan, what site is your course on? Paulin just gave it to you.
That almost sounded like an elefante.
Sorry, guys. It's pretty gross, but music as fuck. I don't know what to tell you. Loud Logan.
Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Back to normal power hour, crappy ass range. 320. Maybe we'll get a push at 330. Maybe. Do we have earnings? Anything special today?
Not
Does anybody
today,
know?
no. But tomorrow we've got some stuff going on. We've got news all week
Okay,
in
that's
the
good.
mornings. We've got
I want volatility.
we've got retail sales tomorrow. Then we have NFP the next day, unemployment rate. Then we have jobless claims the next day. Then we have CPI the next day. Earnings. Nothing too big on earnings.
Mendy, I don't do necessarily Sunday because of, well, if they end early, obviously this Sunday I joined Izzy for the Jizzy show. But I try to do them on nights where after the show is over or where there is no show. Even for lunch sessions, if I don't have coaching and there's no show or anything, I will try to pop in. So the next one is planned out for Wednesday night. Wednesday night.
Gold is testing a market structure area for me right now.
Is it? Let's take a peek. See, let me see what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. Gold's still pushing up.
NQ still
Gold
pulling
look
down.
good.
Gold still pushing up. Still nothing yet. I'm being patient, guys. No trades for me on the power hour just yet. Just being patient.
Let's see.
You jump in on the first 9:30 candle if it goes past your lines. I trade. I mean, I don't know what you're asking me. If there's a Pivot Hunter, if you're asking me on Pivot Hunter Pro on the PHP, if there's a setup, I trade it. If that's what you're asking me. If there's a PHP setup, I take it. Yeah, I take all my PHP, almost all my PHP setups, unless there's a level or something in the way. Gold is hesitating right at my market structure levels. So
I want to see it get down to 74, 76 for potential bounce area if it does get down there. So I want to see if I can get some of those gap fills up top. Let me see what these gaps look like before I go there. Those gaps up top look pretty damn good. I mean, if it keeps holding 86, though, I really want it to get down there. SPX is so close to those levels. There it goes. Okay, yeah, keep going. SPX is so close. I think that's where they're going to meet up. SPX will be 970.30, 969.86, and NQ will be 376.75, 374.50. That's where I'm potentially eyeballing.
hi guys, watching from the UK. Welcome. I was abused and I'm autistic. Trading has been therapeutic and hope for a new life. But thank you anyways. I just made $600 and passed 100K static eval. Thank you both.
Glenn
Okay.
Carlos Hernandez.
Awesome.
Max
Good work.
and Lama trade market open. And Logan and me trade Pawawa, and Izzy and Coach trade Asia. Boom. It's getting wicky down here. Every time it breaks through that 86 area, I mean 82 right now. It did break through 86. It got to 80. It got wicky. SPX got really close to those levels. But it's starting to pull up already. Do I want to test like a light? I really wanted to get down there though. Still 10 points away. Man. I think it might try to go a little bit already. No. Yeah, no. Yeah, SPX looks like it's going to try to get to some of those gaps. Hello? Huh? Why? Yeah, I know at Wooten, but that's not close. They're in lockdown. Have you seen anything on that? I know he's fine. Cause Wooten ain't that close, but
Oh, I'm about to get into this short on NQ. I just need it to hold. I just saw it rip down. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait.
this was the area for me where it could potentially bounce. This is where I was looking for.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
But how much is the problem? Because SPX did it look like it bounced very strong, so it might be. It might continue to go down. It might reverse.
Waiting on it. Waiting on it. Waiting on it. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
This needs to close over 76, 77. If it can't pull back up,
If it closes under 75 is what I want,
Yeah.
Javi. Close under 75, and I'm looking at the short continuation. If not, no trade.
yeah, she's struggling to fully pull up.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Nope. Not yet. Wait.
She did a little Wiccan flip. It's not looking
nope,
shabby now,
nope,
but
nope. New lower low, and I'll jump in. Not yet. Print through 72, and we'll go in. Wait.
on the fence on this one.
Wait. 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 I'm not convinced yet. All right.
SPX.
I needed to hold. I'm gonna jump in.
I'm kind of on the fence on this one, brother. Like, I'm gonna be honest. I think it could go, but this. Okay, there it's going. It's going. Very nice. The next, it would need to break 64. It would need to break 64 next. If it does break 64, I'll jump in potentially.
There we go.
It's already doing it.
There we go.
Dang it, I hate this account size. Doesn't let me go in more. I want to see if it can hold underneath. Doesn't let me add anymore. Ooh, can I do this? Hold on, let me see if it pulls up to that. SPX about to fill a gap. Oh, yeah, I can do that. That's risky, though. That's very risky. That broke right through everything. SPX also broke right through. There's one gap that is about to fill. Next one would be 964.44 on SPX. And Q has room down to 345 for me, which is quite a bit of room if it can't pop itself back over 76. Let's see. He's still in that.
I'm just gonna hold the short, guys. 330 volume in 2 minutes. Just holding the short.
Oh shit, you're right. Oh yeah, it's gonna get interesting. That's for sure. It's gonna get interesting. There goes. There goes. That was a nice little retest of that area and rejection. Oh yeah. I hate the limit in size it gives you,
My
but
computer's frozen. Oh, TP hit. All right,
yeah,
my shit is frozen.
I was able to take that with a mini there.
My shit.
Oh shit, Logan is domo arigato,
Cool.
Mr. Robotoing.
I'm back, guys. Your boy is back. We're up 15 points and rolling.
Let's go, bro.
I'm back, baby.
That was a good read, bro. I hesitated on that big time. All right, 330 volume coming in 40 seconds. Whoa. Yeah, one mini. It didn't let me add contracts. Like, I was only able to go in with 4 micros for some reason, or 5 micros. I went in with 1 mini as well. I'm on an eval, so, you know. Not sure why it limited my micros.
We can hold around the 60 area. The short's still good. I'd like it to not pop me out.
Yeah, I wanted to stay under
Green
70,
trade.
75.
It's a green trade regardless, but I'd love it to keep going down. There we go.
Getting violent here. She's getting violent here.
3 bar.
She's getting violent here.
Pop through that 55. Yeah. Nah.
Ooh. There's a 330 volume.
Yep.
That's the 330 volume. Let's see if it can continue to push down here.
Yep.
I want to see it get to that 45 area next. That'd be amazing.
Okay. Pull through. There we go. Auto trail now is activated. There we go. All right. We're up 20 points in the trade. We're looking good, guys. We're looking very good. I'm still in this. I've got 4 micros left. 20-point trade right there.
Hell yeah. Nice comeback, brother.
All right. Trim
And
2
violent
there.
pull-up.
I got 2 left.
What did it hit? It hit 49.75.
I got 2 left at 65, and I'm out. Cool. Easy money. 20-point trade. First trade back. All right. Easy money.
Hell yeah.
Just like that, guys. Just like that. Oh, look at that. It's continuing down too.
Yeah. I want to see if this touches 45 and goes. Not.
I mean, I'll
If
jump
it
back in if it
breaks
prints under
through.
45. Yeah, if it breaks under
Yeah.
45, I'll jump back in.
Yep. That's what I'm looking at too.
Good work, everybody. How many cons do you enter on a trade like that? Depends on your account size. I trade micros. So for me, I went in with like 6 micros. Nice, coach. Good work, brother. Good shit, my guy. Yeah, I trade anywhere between like now I trade anywhere between like 3 to 6 micros. Sometimes 10 micros, very rarely. Mostly 3 to 6 micros.
What in the hell did it just teleport?
Yeah, the market, the candles are moving a little weird.
I just saw my Dom teleport. Like it went from 61 to 66 and then all the way back down to 61 in the blink of an eye. I was like, holy shit, what was that?
Logan, my G, do you only trade your pivot hunter? No, I just talked about that. Pivot hunter is a fraction of my trading strategy. My most successful trading strategies are primarily during the New York Open, where we have a very high win rate. But I have, whoa, gold is ripping. I'm not even going to try and catch that. But it ripped through the pivot levels. Gold is skyrocketing. But my trading strategy, you can trade any time of day. But PHP is not the requirement of my trading strategies now.
I want to see if this 58 area will hold here.
Logan, why did you change your sizing? It's more realistic for long term and helps my students not compare themselves to large numbers. Logan, thanks, made 200, but want to know what was the stop loss actual. Stop loss is based off of account size. It's based on your account size, so I can't give you an actual number. Well, it's not based on account size, but I go for a hard stop, stuff that I don't usually talk about based on market structure, things like that. ATR. It's based on ATR.
Held.
Do you have a separate trails in one position? Yes.
Stop.
I have multiple different trails in my trade setups with my ATMs. ER.
Whoa. Are we getting a failed bullish mood here? Logan froze again.
Good job, Jake Wheat. I'm frozen again.
It froze. It's like the internet slows down or something.
My internet. Am I frozen or am I good?
This might keep coming down, guys. If this is coming down more. That flipped that 58. This 58 area got flipped hard. Oh yeah, there goes the Dom's going nuts now. This might keep going here. If it breaks 45, this is gonna keep going.
Yeah, it's a little
Staying under 57. So let's see, it's gonna retest that 57, 58 area or not. The Dom's going nuts down here.
Logan, you make most of your money at New York Open? Yes. I make most of my money at New York Open. Also, you made over 100K at New York Open. I don't understand your question, Ron. I've made money multiple times a day. He's made money,
yeah, at many different times.
So 100K that I made in 2 trades was with Hobby during Power Hour at the event.
Hell yeah, that shit was lit.
All right, 338 is my new level I want to print through. There's a very strange picture of Coach. Okay. In Florida, you made over 100K.
There goes 45. All right, can you hold underneath? Can it hold underneath 45 now? Let's see if we can get some more push down here. I did re-enter on that retest up to 57 and got a 50 entry, so I already got my 10 points right there.
Yeah, I'm about to jump in with you, Javi. I just
Oh
need a
my
little bit
god,
more.
dude. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Come on. Let's keep going. Let's
All right,
keep
I'm in there.
going.
Yep. All right, let's see
That
what we
looks
get.
solid. I got my runners running now. There's power hour for you guys. Started off super slow. Started off super duper slow.
Yep.
There we go. Keep
I'm gonna
going,
hold
baby.
this. I'm gonna hold this short, Javi. I think we're
I
good
got
at least.
room. Yeah.
We're
Yeah,
good for a
I got a
while.
lot of room down. Yep.
I'm holding this short.
I want to see it stay underneath 50, obviously. I don't want it to pop up that high up.
I don't see resistance until around at least 12. 312.
Yeah.
So we're
Oh,
good.
shoot.
Whoa.
Yeah, that was a violent pull up. My runners are gonna get
Whoa.
drilled out if it pops over 50. It's no, it's like that fast. I don't want to see it
I'm
break.
not worried about it. I think we're good. Yeah. That was
Yeah,
just a
come on.
weird. Oh, let's see.
It's just a healthy pull up. Right? Lama calls them healthy pullbacks.
Yeah, it was just a liquidity grab, right?
Yeah, it's grabbing them liquids. Oh, that took me out. It took me out. My run. Watch it. It does this sometimes where it takes my runners out and then keeps going. It hit me. It literally took my runner at 52. At 50.25, it took my runner out, and it didn't drop back. You son of a bitch, NQ.
I
How
survived.
dare you? How
I
dare
survived.
you? I don't care.
But
I'm still
it might not. If it doesn't carry down, I mean, we'll see. I survived, but it's not looking as promising now.
It's gonna get stuck between 50 and potentially this 43 area if it does not make a move here. It's popping back over 50 now.
And
Let's see if it rejects
I'm out.
this
I'm out
area
now.
again.
Now I'm done. All right. Thank you, Crazy Diamond.
Back to 58. The Dom is going kind of crazy up here at 58. This would be a potential area for rejection if we get it. If it pops back over 58, then we may see some continuation. I want to see
Wow,
if I test
Athena.
the
Athena
rejection here.
made 2,300 across 5 accounts. Jeez.
Wow, Athena. Killing
Good
it.
work, though.
Athena's turned into an animal since the event.
800 people in Power Hour. Wow, I didn't even notice that.
Oh, for real? Hey, welcome everybody.
It's a new all-time high.
Welcome to the Power Hour. Okay, now we're breaking over 58. Ooh. Ooh. I want to go home. Oh, shit. She's just going. Is she just going to keep going? She getting violent. Oh, she getting violent. Oh, shit. Dom is getting violent up here at 67. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, Dom's getting violent up here. I'll put this on here. Yeah.
And a banana is absolutely killing it.
Ooh. She's going. Look at that. Ooh, anybody in the long? Anybody in the wrong?
Full-blown reversal.
Yeah, that thing ripped right over 50, broke over 58. Like you had multiple chances to get in on any part. That was nice. That was spicy. I'm out. That's good. That was good. Up what? 550 so far. Not too bad. All right. And my runner got trailed out. That was a nice little pull. Oh, we went up to 78. I didn't even see how far it went. That pullback took my runner out. Let's see what we got. Let's see if this is a potential flippy flip happening here. I want to see this hold 55. Let's see if it can hold 55. then test that 78 again. If not, if it does not hold 55, breaks back down, we might see 43 get tested. Here's 55. What will you do? What will you do here? Current bouncy bounce. Didn't look that strong. No, come. Well, close right on it. Close right on it. That closed right on top of 55 and took off. Look at that. Look at that. Magic. Magic. And if it breaks over 78.50, that'll be, or 78.75 for me at least. That will be a failed berry move if this is what she's trying to do here. But at the moment, what time? Well, MOC is in 7 minutes. I might wait for MOC. Let me get rid of this box for now. It's kind of been playing around it too much. That sauce box might be deleted.
Ooh. I'm gonna try something.
Ooh, what you trying?
Wealth charts, FFF.
Oh yeah, that's right. I haven't even tried that shit yet.
Fuck yeah. I just got notification that they're up and running.
Avi, I'm not seeing the 55 you're talking about. Oh, it's right here. Well, no, now it got moved. It got moved to 52.50. It's a 2 minute. Jack, I'm looking at the 2 minute crossover at 52.50 now. It was at 55. And it got moved on that pullback. So it's kind of like shifting it around. So the action lines will obviously with the price movement that is given, it will adjust. So now it just adjusted on that pullback. It adjusted to 52.50 and took off again at 59.50 and bounced hard. If this breaks over 78.50, we may get more push up. Ooh, SPX. Oh man, SPX just did a stacky stack. Ooh, SPX just did a stacky stack. It's kind of risky though. I don't know if I want to like, because there's no like clean entry on NQ right now, but SPX is looking like it's about to explode if it keeps going here. If it keeps going here. NQ looking a little bit weak. That's the only thing is like, It's looking a little bit weak. It's not pulling.
Is the
this
short
SPX.
thesis driven by the 5-minute bearish engulfing targeting the 4-hour FEG below?
Huh?
Yes.
What language was that?
Spanish, I think. You didn't understand it?
I thought I spoke Spanish very well. That must have been ancient Mayan.
Maybe. I think that's what, or Aztec, something like that.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, SPX is moving, NQ is not. Just kind of like struggling.
So
But Dom's going bonkers right now over here at 70. Dom is going bonkers. If it can rip through 70, maybe. Ooh, yeah, Dom's speeding up big time right now. But needs to get over 78 if she really wants to go. Boom, 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 boom.
It's actually really cool that I can log into wealth charts and get access to all the props at once. You just click the different ones. Super convenient.
Oh, for real?
I can switch right now. I can log out or I can just move over to my Apex ones. It's really cool.
Oh, shoot. I like that.
Really convenient.
That sounds nice. I'm going to have to load
you
up
copy
some
your Apex and FFF. I don't think so. But apparently they are going to be doing that soon. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know.
Let's see. SPX is still running. NQ is slacking ass. There's kind of going right now. It's kind of moving now. A little bit moving now. Not that much. I want to see if it can really get up to that 78.50 and kind of contest that area if it does. But at the moment, NQ is showing a lot of weakness. A lot of weakness compared to SPX. SPX did its move, NQ did not.
ETA on the indicators being available on wealth charts. That I don't know also. But you guys can ask Rob tomorrow during the wealth chart summit.
Ba-dum-bum. Ba-dum-meow. I'm excited for that. I'm excited for that. A master class, a 3-hour long master
You
class
need to
with
buy a new account on FFF
man
or wealth charts for
himself.
your old funded trade debates. They're different. It's different. You have to have different accounts.
I mean, right now for MOC, we are floating in between. We are floating in between levels, 343 and 402.50. So
It's going to be during, I think the Traders and Haters podcast is when it's going to be.
let me get out on those two right now. MOC is going to be interesting because it is literally floating right in between. 357 will be the closest kind of area, but yeah, there goes. Look at that. NQ just took its sweet little time to run. SPX did have that stack level play, which is why I was looking at SPX kind of ready to launch, which it did launch. SPX launched, NQ was just not moving. She's really struggling to get over. Like, I want to see it push over 78. But the Dom goes crazy. The Dom is going crazy right here. Ooh, that's a violent pull down at 73. The Dom is going crazy in this area. It's gonna be where it might stall out for a bit, and I want to see what it does here for MOC. We are floating in between two levels, so I don't have a clean read for MOC at the moment. Got room up to 402 and down to 343. Tony Montoya. Max got me saying Tony Montoya now to that damn song. Like that Tony
Excited to get your course. Should be getting
Montoya.
my taxes back this week. Investing my knowledge. Have both Max and Lama's course, and my trading has improved dramatically. Time to get dangerous with the next course. What do you mean? What are you implying? My course is dangerous? No, it's good to hear, Raheem. Looking forward to having you on the team, brother.
All right. We got 39 seconds for MOC. Currently, it can hold that 58. If it tests 58 and comes back down or comes off of it, I have room up to 402. But this is in the middle. I don't like anything here, honestly. Like, I don't like anything here. Like, MOC tends to give a pop up first, but this is slap dam in the middle of these two levels.
My brain.
Because this could pull all the way back to 55, 53, or 43 and test it.
What time is the Traders and Haters podcast? Tomorrow at 5 p.m., I believe.
All right, 3 seconds. I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting on it. There's just there's not much. Look at that. See, it's not moving at all. Like, it's literally not moving at all. Right now it's rejecting the top side of the orb at 378. And that's the area I want to see it break over 378 to kind of get going. If it can't break 378, we might come down to the bottom side. All right, let's see. It's trying to get up there. Okay, it's getting up there. But let's see. She's struggling. She's rejecting it. Here she goes again. Ooh, that was a nice pull up. Okay. She has to hold over 378 to get going if she's going to go. If not, she's over it right now. It's just not moving much. It's not moving much. So I want to see if it can hold 358. And we get a little bit of a move up here. Potentially all the way up to that 402. There's 5 points. All right, there's 10 points. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right.
By
Yep.
frozen.
Go. There's 15. Almost 15. All right. I got my runner running. I went into a fresh account because I didn't want to give back any of what I already made. Just because I was kind of just on this one. Like this one was just we're in between levels. It was just nothing super solid, so I wanted to wait. So there we go. Fresh account.
Now I'm back. All
Didn't
right.
even go super heavy on it. That was a nice little pull up, and it looks like we're gonna retest that area again. The further above it stays, the better. If it breaks back below it, not gonna be good for a continuation push. Let's see. That was a nice pop above it right there. Can it keep going? Can it keep going? No, she's getting a little weak up here. There she goes. There she goes. Okay. Dom's going crazy up here at 90. Dom's speeding up a little bit. Oh, yeah. Dom's going nuts right now. 87.90. Dom speeds up. Dom does react at that 87.90 area. Back to 78. And now it's below it. I'm out of that. I'm out of that. Back below 78. Let's see. Oh, man. She just went. That's violent. It's too violent for me to even try to catch that. Push down now. Oh, man. Yeah, there goes that pull down. I couldn't even catch that. Oh, God. There goes. 15-point pull down from the rebreak of 78. Oh, I couldn't even catch that. Damn it. Almost 20 points. It's too fast. She went too fast. She went way too fast. You caught that long, Logis. Loge. Oh, man. Oh, she might keep going here. This is one of those. If she breaks underneath 50, then 40. I want to see if this closes and retests maybe 65, 70. There it is. I get these. If it breaks underneath 56, do I want to test this though? Pull up to retest that 60-ish area. And then more pull down incoming. Yep, there goes. Oh, yeah, baby. There goes. There goes. Oh, yeah. 10 points right there. All right. These are these failed move signals I get from these. And I got trailed out right there. All right. Boom. 10 points. Right to that. Close to that level at 43.
Really
Dang.
like wealth charts.
Yeah, same, bro. Just $96 on that so far. Nothing fancy. All right, let's see. What else we got here? I mean, it could honestly it could keep going, but needs to break under 43. Bouncing right back up to 70. Ooh, she's getting violent here. Let's see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Same thing, over 78. What is this area right here? Over 76, actually. This is 76. And then 78. For failed bearish move potential. Doo-doo.
Failed bullish move.
Rejected it. Yeah, rejected it hard. That 69.50, I had a level there. Rejected that hard. The Dom is going nuts right now. She's just going to get stuck here a little bit. I don't see anything. It's stuck between levels 369 and 343 is what I got. If it breaks 69.50, then it needs to break 75.50. On the downside, it just needs to break 43 and then 33. Yeah.
Breaks under 33, you have 20 points of room.
20 points. She's kind of hanging out now.
What's good, Logan? Awfully quiet today. Really?
My tongue is going crazy. Oh my god. What is that? Gotta make that chick have curly hair. It would be my wife. Dominicano, papa. Let's see. We're gonna get some continuation. Pushy. Maestro, what's your safe word? I have no safe word. I live on the dangerous side. I'm either gonna make it out alive or I'm not. It's that simple.
That's crazy.
Of TP hit. TP hit. Sauce box. Goes to Jersey Mike says tell the servers to let Mike have his way with the sandwich. Oh god. You guys get dirty. All right, let's see what happens here if he breaks over 78 again. This is looking like she may want to go, honestly. Like, this is looking like she's gonna rip. The Dom's going nuts up here again. She needs to hold over. Immediately rejecting. Can now hold above it. This is risky business after market close. The Dom is going nuts right now, which is interesting.
One indicator a while ago when you were gone is me because
Hard.
Okay. What do you want me to do with that information?
What?
Cool story, bro.
What did they say?
I don't know.
Totally missed it. Oh man, it rejected hard. Oh my god, this is going all over the place. The Dom's going bonkers, y'all. This is not safe trading environment. This is not a safe trade environment. The Dom is going nuts. Oh yeah, this is just range. This is screaming range. Oh, there goes. Yeah, look at that. And I'm not taking that. Yeah. Holy crap. Oh, okay. There's all the way down to 38. That rejected that 78 area violently. Oh my god. That's a failed bullish move from here. I shouldn't be degenning at this time, Logan. What am I doing?
Well, degen.
I don't know what I'm doing here.
Fuck it, full port short. $30 micros. So max that allows you to do 30 micros. Nope, 36, 42, 48.
She bouncing off that bottom side again.
8
Let's see
micros. Is the
I
max
want
that
to see it
allows.
stay underneath 55. If not, we back into range. Go. Oh, okay. Okay. Eat those two. If this drops below 33, ooh, baby. This can just close underneath that. Dom going nuts again, around 50. Okay.
Full port short.
The Dom's
Am I
going
up
nuts
on the
around
day?
50.
Of course, I'm up on the day. I made $22,000 alone on my Apex funded.
I showed
Yeah.
you guys what I did. Or I didn't even do the math. I just put it up on Max's stuff. But no.
I haven't had a red day
Oh, no.
in a long time.
This
Probably, I don't
pop.
think I've had a red day since like December, and it wasn't even red because I think we were green on Power Hour.
Yeah. The Maestro Cabe is the vibe. The
Who
red.
is Dom and why is he going crazy?
Yeah, I'm out.
It's a conversation you're gonna have to have with
I'm
Dom.
right over 50.
Only Dom
Yeah,
knows
we
why he
have
goes
this
crazy.
on Dom. Oh, well. All right. Yeah, I'll repost what I made today.
Pat said y'all only
The
have
main Power
200
Hour
views.
account.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
I don't know who this guy is.
Who?
This guy, why is this guy still talking about us?
Where? On YouTube?
Was he want to kiss me or something? Isn't this a guy who also calls his place the Big Dick House or something like that? Like, bro. But he's compensating a little bit, don't you think? Also, I
Wait,
looked up his YouTube stats. I looked up his
he's
YouTube.
talking trash about us. Oh my God, we made it, guys. We made it. He's
I looked
talking
up his.
about us.
I looked up his YouTube stats, and it's interesting that in one day, 200,000 subscribers came in. If you guys want to do some research, you can look into YouTube statistics. And I'm not really sure how anyone can gain 200,000 subscribers in one day. So if you guys want to do a
Yeah,
little research into that and see how that
there've
happens,
been some people doing research on that already. I mean,
that's just something that I looked up on the internet. I was just looking through people's YouTube channels and that showed up. But I mind my own fucking business because I don't care what other people do because I'm a grown fucking man. But
yeah,
to each
baby.
their own. Logan, what indicators do you use? Pivot Hunter Pro.
Did I only trade one of my Tradeifys today? Or did I not trade any? I didn't trade a single one of my Tradeifys. Oh, shit. Okay. I didn't trade any single one. All right.
This Power Hour did nothing.
Caught a
I mean,
few. We caught a few
couple
scalps
trades
here and
today.
there. Yeah.
I'm cool with it. I'm happy with my
Here and there.
numbers. Green is green, my
Me
guy.
too. Here, I'll show you my Power Hour account. Hold on. Make sure I got everything else in there. And then the one little red boy. I got one little red boy in here. My one little red boy. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's it, right?
Logan, do you have any openings in your class? Yes, my
No?
course is always available.
Is that all I had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 8. 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. And then the wealth charts. Yeah, Power Hour chop. Who knew? We'd be back to normal Power Hour chop. And we still caught some trades. Y'all.
Yep.
Don't get too spoiled over what we had the last few days. The last few days, we got spoiled like hell. Great movement, great price action. We're back to what normal Power Hour is like. And the fact that we can still come out on top is fucking amazing. And then the right. And then this was the Power Hour count right here, right? Still made a good amount. That's the Power Hour count right there. But it's awesome that people are talking about us because that means we're moving on up. Moving on up.
I don't really care. I don't worry about other men. It's weird.
Yeah, but I think that's something comes with the social media world.
Still don't
I
care.
am getting used to ignoring it. I'm getting paid every day. Like I make money every day trading.
I don't care. I don't
I'm so
compare
fucking
myself to
happy.
other people. It's
Yeah,
weird.
exactly. Yeah, there you go, Logan. Exactly. We don't compare ourselves. We do what we do. We've proven ourselves to ourselves time and time again. We do it. We've done it. We keep doing it.
Tayway Prophet is just, I don't know. He's bored. Tayway Prophet's also just trying to go back and guy's like a high school girl just trying to start drama. Whatever you say,
Yeah.
Tayway. Whatever makes you happy, man. Dude, none of us actually give a fuck. But you do you, brother.
Tayway. I mean, come on. Like I could take some of this out tonight. Like, come on.
You guys prefer live accounts if
Like,
you have capital and
come
know
on.
how to trade, or go to prop? Prop firm always makes the most sense because you can make the most money
You can
leveraging the least
build.
amount.
Yep. And you could build, right? Instead of putting your own capital in, you could take the capital you get from them and put into a live account.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And we do it good. There you go. Yeah, that's right, Llama. We do it good. We do it the best and the most consistent and for free. Mm.
I just don't care, dude.
Everyone go live, oh my god.
All right, I'm done. I'm done trading. I don't know about you.
I'm done. Yeah, I'm
Any
done.
news on your energy drink sponsor? Yeah, we're gonna have a meeting with them soon. We're gonna see what happens. I left the Discord server because of high school drama. I expected better from fellow military. You talking about us? We're literally
Wait, what?
avoiding drama, dude. I'm not. Oh.
I left a
Are
Discord
you
server
expecting?
because
Oh,
of
is it
high school
different? Different?
drama. I
Yeah, man. I
expected
don't know.
better.
Um,
Mm.
yeah, man. I don't. We just don't care. I don't really care about other people. I don't. I don't. I don't. I don't want competition. Like
Sam,
no one.
I just don't know
No
what
one is.
this.
No one is competition to me. So I don't really give a fuck about anybody's opinion about me. I have a good life. I have a good. I work for a great company. Uh,
Dom
my
is a
life is
price
pretty fucking good,
indicator on Tradeovate.
and I'm not going
Dom
to
is
let
not.
somebody else try and bring that down.
Why is someone saying the Dom is a price indicator on Tradeovate? The depth of market, King Melody. Do you know what the depth of market is? There's no fucking indicator called Dom on Tradeovate. It's not an indicator. It's literally where you place.
Can't wait
It's
to
not an
make out with you.
indicator.
All right, guys, let's give away some stuff.
Like the chart, except it's where you see the.
Javi,
Yeah,
since I've been away, I owe it to the people. So I want to give away.
you're good. You're good. You're good, King Melody. I'm gonna.
I want to give
Yeah.
away multiple months on the indicators.
Ooh.
Multiple
Ooh.
months. Yeah,
Let's
I
go.
owe it. I owe it to the people. I've been gone for a little bit. Let's give away a few months.
Let's do it.
Um,
Let's do it. I'm up for that.
yeah.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. All right. Now you're good. You're good, Melody. You're good. Don't worry. I know you're trying to help, brother. So
Three,
make sure
four,
no
five.
one thinks it's like,
All
the
right,
wrong thing.
let's do YouTube first.
All right, YouTube.
So a YouTube, your code for today is going to be Monday. Just do Monday. Is today Monday? I don't even know what day it is. Monday.
Monday.
Everybody type in Monday. I'm going to pick a random person.
Is that how that song goes? No, I think I got it wrong. Monday. Is it Sunday? Monday? I don't know.
All right. And stopping here. B Nun 1988. B Nun 1988. Congratulations. You just won a free month on any indicator. B Nun 1988. Congratulations. Open up a support ticket. Now, let's head over to the Discord hobby.
Let's do it. All right. First number 226.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wowza 999 to the stage. What's the YouTube channel? The YouTube channel is Max Options Trading, guys.
Yeah.
Wowza 999. Come on up to the stage.
Wowza 999. Right. Wowza 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Next 38. Next is 38.
1, 2, 3. PYD. PYD.
PYD.
PYD. A student of mine.
PYD. Does this stand for like Pretty Young Dad or something? Is that Michael Jackson's song, right? Pretty Young Thing. Right? PY. Is that what that song was called? I can't remember. Pretty Young Dad. All right. Nobody wants to come up and win anything, I guess. All right. Now to the next. Next number will be number 67. 87. Oh, shit. 67. Fuck.
No.
That number came back.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Legit. No. That number was gone.
This guy's name is Mo.
Mo?
Yeah. Mo. Mo. His number.
Yo.
There
What's
he
going on,
is.
Mo? How you doing, man?
It's good. It's actually Mohsen, if you remember.
Mohsen, get your camera on, brother.
Just a moment. Yo.
Mohsen, what's up, man? How's your trading going?
It's all good. Last
You're super quiet. Are you covering your mic?
I think so, yeah.
There you go.
Is it better now?
Yeah.
Yeah, last I traded on the founder futures on the velocity plan. I didn't know about the trailing, in-trade trailing. So I lost the accounts. And right now I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, intraday. Learn about that intraday. Gotta be careful. It'll get you.
I didn't know about that.
Yeah, don't let a green trade turn red. That's the secret to intraday.
Yeah,
Kinda
I was
dumb,
up
but
like almost like 3,000. So and the maximum loss limit was at 50. I thought the maximum loss limit also stops like top step, so it didn't.
No. Yeah, I don't think on Velocity does. I honestly haven't used the Velocity. I trade mainly Premier. I'm not a big fan of intraday. Like that's one of my only complaints with TPT is the intraday drawdown.
Yeah,
But
that was a
yeah,
surprise to
you have
me. I
to
didn't
admit.
know. Yeah.
Well, now you know, bro. Now you know. So next time, don't let it happen again.
It's a
All
lesson.
right, man. Yeah, that's right. All right, man. Open up a support ticket. You get a free month of any indicator of your choice, brother. All
Thank
right.
you.
You got it, brother. Have a good one.
Bye.
All right. Now
Next.
on the YouTube. Look at that.
Woo!
Being over. Never mind. I'm not going to read that. I'm not
Tony
going to entertain that.
Montoya.
We got people who are just trying to
Tony
be trolls.
Montoya.
So many losers on YouTube. It's actually interesting. It's always the people on YouTube who just feel the need to just talk shit about another grown man like you have nothing better to do. It's very weird. You must
I
have
agree.
a very, very sad life. Very sad life. Now, speaking of YouTube, Logan smells. All right, that's going to be the word. The word for today is going to be the next word. Logan smells. Everybody type it. Logan smells. Logan smells. I actually can't
Type
smell.
in Logan smells.
I wish
He
I
can't
could smell.
smell either right now.
I can't smell shit right now. Logan smells. That's the next one we're going to do. All right. And I'm going to fucking stop right. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Hurry up, more. And send some likes in the YouTube. Why are there not enough? We have 160 people watching and not enough likes. All right, stopping here.
All right, we don't have that many likes. What the
Trades by SD. Actually, you spelled my name wrong.
hell? Disqualified.
Yeah, I'm not giving it to you. Actually, you
If you
spelled it wrong.
can't spell
So,
Logan.
yeah, you can't spell Logan. So I'm not giving it to you.
Yeah, that's instant
So next up is
disqualification.
Frank from UK. Frank from UK. Congratulations. Open up a support ticket. Frank from UK.
Frank from UK.
Frank from UK. You get access to any indicator free for an entire month. Congratulations. All right. And we also are sponsored by Alpha today. So
Yeah.
let's give away an Alpha account on
All
Discord.
right. Let's do it. Winning number is going to be 197. 197.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 5, 6, 7. BW, you do not have the MOT tag. You need to get the MOT tag. Let's do another one.
All right. Next number 290. 290. Some of these guys have been here a while and they're typing in the numbers. Guys,
10,
typing in the numbers does nothing for you. We count.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
You guys have been here forever.
29. Yeah, why are you guys typing the numbers?
Yeah, I was looking at it. I'm like, God. And some of these are like veterans to the Discord.
Bulldog Rich. Bulldog Rich. Come on up to the stage.
Bulldog Rich. They just trolling. 6-7, 6-7. We picked 6-7 today, guys. I feel ashamed. Bulldog Rich. Is it rigged? I don't remember ever having Bulldog Rich up. But again, it is totally rigged. 1000% rigged.
Cameras on, mic on.
Tony Montoya.
What's up, guys?
What's up, bro? How you doing?
I'm good. How you guys
How's your
doing?
trade? Good, man. How's your trading going?
Man, I have not been trading for a minute because I have blew all my accounts, so I've been chilling on the sideline just watching you guys.
Okay. Well, at least you're being patient. You're waiting for a good, waiting on it.
Waiting for the time is right. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yes, sir.
Here's the
That's
good
the
thing.
skill.
I'm gonna call this
Yes, sir.
quick because I feel like dog shit. Now you have an Alpha Zero account, so congratulations.
Yeah.
Brother.
Nice. I appreciate that.
Absolutely, man. And so open up a sport ticket. You're gonna have that Alpha Zero account, and ideally, you're gonna pass it and get another one. All right, man.
Awesome. Appreciate it.
All right, brother. We'll talk soon.
All right, brother. Congratulations.
All right.
Awesome.
This is an all right power hour. We caught one or two good wins. At least I did. Javi caught some good trades. Kind of boring
Yeah.
for me. I'm also sick as fuck. But it's good to be back on the charts, green again. So that's all I really got. Javi, what do you got?
Guys, make sure you guys tune into our socials: X, TikTok, Insta, YouTube gang. Please like, subscribe, and tickle that bell and everything, all that fun stuff. If you guys want to learn more about our trading styles, right? You got PHP. You guys can go check out Logan's YouTube, and then I got a crap ton of stuff on Quantum as well on mine. Quantum gang, I will probably see you guys Wednesday night. Tomorrow night we have the great Rob Hoffman doing his masterclass webinar. So make sure you guys tune into that. And we'll see you guys tomorrow for Power Hour. Not financial advice for JJ's, as always.
Later,
Peace
everybody.
out.